This is Eric Mother, mother.com. I just wanted to let you guys know that as of September 2019, I have about 4,000 plus videos on YouTube, and I think about 3,000 of this are not available to the general public. They are for my paid subscribers. So 3,000 videos, something in that range, arranged in playlists, and you'll only find this if you go to my website at www.muathe.com. The link should be in the description of the video. The reason why I'm trying to explain this is I've got some questions about what kind of educational material I have for paid subscribers. So if you log on to my website, you're going to find all these playlists. So there's a lot of playlists. I would approximate something about, and I keep adding new videos and new playlists, so about 80 plus playlists, and you can watch all these videos to the point that you get any concept. So lots of videos, so lots of different topics, short-term trading, medium-term trading, all of these are covered here, lots of videos. And the videos do range pretty much anywhere from about 5 minutes all the way to a couple of hours, and I think one of the longest ones about 3 hours. So most of them are going to be lengthy, in detail, lots of examples, and I'll scroll through this list. You can see here views on the playlist, number of videos currently. When the video playlist was originally created, I started creating videos on YouTube about 2007, so I've been on YouTube for a minute. But let's take a look at some of the playlists that you're going to have access to once you subscribe to my website. So all of this are going to be available to you. So what you see on my YouTube channel is a sample. The main videos are going to be on my website, just to make things clear, and you have access to about 2,000-3,000 videos, all arranged in playlists, and you don't have to watch all those videos, of course. You watch, just watch each playlist until you get a sense of the concept, until the concept is well understood. So just to be clear, most of my videos are gonna be on my website, ericmother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.